Hey, it's Aran here. In this tech tutorial, I'm going to explain to you the integration of email marketing softwares and new Zenler. Specifically, you would see that in new Zenler, you can integrate ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, MailerLite, and you'll see it on the back end when you hover over Site, Integrations, you'll see the different options right here. So these are the emails that have native direct integrations. You would see that I've personally integrated MailerLite just for the sake of demonstration. I do not actually use this software for myself, but I just wanted to show you how it would look once it's integrated. Now, obviously, if you want to integrate it, you would just click on Connect, add the different information, and so on. If you were to search for the support documents, and I will link them all below this video, so you will see the exact support document for each one of these, so you could just follow the steps. Zenler has done a great job to actually show you how to set it up with screenshots, and you just have to follow 1, 2, 3, 4. And they've done a great job. I'm not going to have to record a tutorial on that. What is important that you understand is, what does it actually mean once the integration is done? This is a question that I receive often. And people have asked, okay, how do I tag people once I've integrated it? And the answer is, you don't. It will all automatically happen on the back end without you touching it, doing anything, and you can't optimize how you would tag them. Let me show you what I mean. So if I'm in a funnel and you were to click on the opt-in funnel, you go to the editor, and then you will notice that basically I can choose to either send people to an email list, send them to a funnel, things along these lines. So you can see here, I click on this button, click on the settings, and you will see I can add to an email list, add to a funnel, add a tag, all of that stuff. This is all things that you can customize inside new Zenler. It will not make any difference on MailerLite. The only thing that will happen with MailerLite is the following integrations. Every student that signs up or registers in your Zenler site will be added to MailerLite with the role student. Now, every student that is enrolled will be tagged as course and the course name. Okay? Every person that's subscribed to a funnel will be tagged with funnel and funnel name. So for example, this name is the name of this funnel, and you can change it under funnel details. You see here the name of the funnel. You can change that. This is what they will be tagged at. So you want to make sure that the name of your funnel is extremely clear what that is, whether it's a lead magnet or like the name of your lead magnet. So don't just say lead magnet PDF. Actually say the name of the PDF. In my case, for example, I have a PDF called 9 Email Marketing Tips to help you with open rates, deliverability, and sales. That's my lead magnet. You can go to aran.link/email tips to download it. So in my case, I would label it Email Tips PDF. And that's how I would label it. So therefore, when it's tagged in MailerLite, then that's how it would be set up. Now note, that PDF, that link I just told you about, that's not using Zenler. But the point is that I'm just explaining how to actually customize or edit the name, basically. The course name is typically going to be pretty self-explanatory, but it is important you label them correctly. And that's pretty much it. Now, it says new enrollments will get sent to MailerLite, i.e., if you already have an email list in Zenler, it's not going to automatically move to MailerLite. It's only new signups, okay? So that's about it. I just wanted to record this video because I do get this question regularly. If you have any additional questions on new Zenler, I do have a playlist somewhere around here for you to check out. I've got a lot of videos on new Zenler, and I'm happy to record more as well. Otherwise, if you want additional support, I do have a tech support membership. You can check it out by going to aran.link/DCT to learn more about it. That's about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.